Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to restrict group chat in Messenger. You can ignore messages on Messenger by following this video. Open Messenger and then go to the conversation you want to ignore. Click on the person's name and tap on Ignore Message or Restrict or Mute. The mute feature is now called Restrict on the Messenger app on Android. Do you ever get random messages on Messenger? I once joined a Facebook group and suddenly got messages from random people. It was frustrating. The Ignore Messages function tackles this very situation. It's found on PC and desktop applications, but not on mobile apps, where it's called Restrict instead. With Restrict, you can ignore conversation and calls from a person or group. Facebook Messenger is an excellent way to connect with your loved ones and make new friends. However, it can soon get annoying if you constantly receive unwanted messages or calls. This can disrupt the user's experience. Hence, Facebook rolled out its Ignore Messages feature in January 2020. This function lets you stop any person or group from bothering you. When you ignore messages from someone, you will not receive notifications if the person sends you a message. This might seem similar to when you mute notifications. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.